Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce to you a software that helps up to 1,000 customers in one day with just one click. You reach many potential customers, bulk message goods, post automatically and increase interaction of that post. It automates everything on Instagram. To get started, you'll need an account. Click Add Account, then Add. Here, I already have accounts in the correct format. All you need to do is copy the text and paste it into the software, then click More. I'll now log into multiple Instagram accounts to show you how it works. My software doesn't limit the number of accounts you can add, so feel free to add as many as you like. As you can see, it's logging into all of them very quickly. Next, let's move to account engagement. This feature helps you reach potential customers or users with similar interests. By using these accounts to engage in areas related to your niche, your posts and reels will reach a much larger audience. Let me walk you through a series of steps. It's really easy to understand. Here, we can create AI-generated content for messaging. In the General Interaction section, the software helps Meta recognize your accounts as real users through the following methods. Let's continue and take a look. Next up, something really useful: keyword-based interaction. This helps you target the exact audience you want to attract, those who will like your posts, tag others to check them out, and even share your content. The account interaction feature works similarly to the previous section and is just as important because it draws users similar to your account to view your posts and reels. Once you've made all your selections, the top of the panel will show the total number of actions you've chosen. All you need to do is adjust the total number of active actions and set the time interval between actions. So Meta recognizes your activity as coming from a real person. Next is the bulk messaging feature, and this is the software's interface. The interval between two actions should be set to 10 to 15 seconds so that Instagram perceives us as real users. In the content configuration section, you can use a pre-prepared script or utilize artificial intelligence. The content here is currently empty. Go to the Content Management section, add a category, then add a post. In the Post Type section, there are many options you can use. Select the type of post, comment, message, or share. Enter the content here. I'll type hello. We can also send messages with one image or multiple images. After finishing, click Save and return to the messaging function. You can allow duplicate content across accounts and post in sequence or randomly. In the message sending configuration, there are three options: send by account, send to followers, or send to those you are following. Enter the accounts. You can input as many as you want for each account. Here, I'll set it to 5. You can also select the options below. Depending on your setup, you can choose and run the feature accordingly.